हाँ जी बेटे, a new old civilization. Subsequently, seals were discovered at Harappa by archaeologists such as Dayaram Sani in the early decades of the 20th century. Mean 20th century, when I have told you that there was a construction work between Karachi and Multan. They wanted to lay down the railway track, and construction work of a railway track was going on. That time, by chance, they got mean the labor class got many remains, many fossils, many artifacts, and these artifacts are passed to the archaeologists, and one of them was Dayaram Sani. Whenever they got these are these fossils, then they had struck an idea in their mind that there is a civilization. So they stopped the railway construction work and started the discoveries of Harappan civilization. This is the story which we have read and which we are going to read. A new old civilization. British subsequently seals were discovered at Harappa by archaeologists such as Dayaram Sani in the early decades of the 20th century. In approximately 1921, in layers that were definitely much older than early historical levels. Layers, you know, परतें वहाँ से मिली मिट्टी की रेत से. It was then that their significance came to be realized. Historians or archaeologists realized that it is historically important. Resources, fossils, remains are historically important. Another archaeologist, that is Rakhal Das Banerjee. It was Rakhal Das Banerjee found similar seals at Mohenjo-daro, another city of Harappan civilization, leading to the conjecture that these sites were part of a single archaeological culture. Mean they realized that all these sites are belonging to same culture, Harappan culture. Based on these finds, in 1924, John Marshall, an Englishman, and he was a director general of the ASI department, announced the discovery of a new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world. He announced that there is a new civilization in the Indus Valley. It is told to the whole world that in India there was Harappan civilization which was flourished approximately 4,500 years ago. As S.N. Roy noted in the story of Indian archaeology, means it's a book written by S.N. Roy. Marshall left India. He said Marshall left India 3,000 years older than he had found her. Means because Marshall taken the charge of uh, this site, he has taken the custody of this discovery. That's why this quotation is dedicated to Marshall. This was because similar till then unidentified seals were found at exhibitions at Mesopotamia sites. Mesopotamia site is in Iran. Means Mesopotamia as well as Harappa both are flourished at the same time. Both are contemporaries. समकाली हुए हैं ये एक ही समय हुई हैं दोनों सभ्यता. It was then that the world knew not only of a new civilization but also of one of a contemporanean with Mesopotamia. So, in fact, John Marshall is in as the director of the ASI market. A major change in the Indian archaeology. He was the first professional archaeologist to work in India and brought his experience of working in Greece and Crete to the field. In other countries, he also discovered the uh, old remains, old fossils, like in Greece and Crete. More importantly, though, like Cunningham, he too was interested in speculative finds. He was equally keen to look for patterns of everyday life. He was interested to compare the life of those people who passed away and the life of people who are living in present time. Marshall tended to excavate, excavate along regular horizontal units measured uniformly throughout the mound. Mound means टिल्ला जैसे रेत का टिल्ला होता है. Ignoring the stratigraphic of the site. This meant that all the artifacts recovered from the same unit were grouped together, even if they were found at different stratigraphic layers. As a result, valuable information about the context of these finds was irritably lost. Means here he wants to tell you uh, रेत का टीला ये माउंट है तो जो स्टेटोग्राफी होती है इट मीन द एनालाइज ऑफ द ऑर्डर एंड पोर्शन ऑफ द लेयर्स आर्कोलॉजिकली रिमेन जैसे ये यहाँ कुछ हमें मिला फिर उसके बाद एक और लेयर आ गई वहाँ हमें सील्स मिली उसके बाद लेयर्स मिली उसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ मिला आर्टिफैक्ट्स मिले ऐसे तो ये टीला है एक मीन्स जिसके अंदर बहुत सी लेयर्स हैं जिसको हम स्टेटोग्राफी कहते हैं और इन हर लेयर के अंदर जो रिमेन्स मिल रहे हैं दे आर नॉट हैविंग सेम वैल्यू दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वन अनदर मीन देयर material may be different their age may be different method of making them that may be different but what they have done they have given equal importance to the things which are found from this layer or this layer so what happened valuable information which we have uh, taken from these remains that was lost means they are not studied properly so sites mounds and layers you know archaeological sites are 1 minute. Archaeological sites are formed through the production, use and discarding of material and structure. When people continue to live in the same place, their constant use and reuse of the landscape results in the build-up of occupational debris called a mound. वो टिब्बा बन जाता है जहाँ हम कूड़ा फेंकते रहते हैं या ऑक्यूपेशनल एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म करते रहते हैं ब्रीफ मीन माउंड की डेफिनेशन बताइए आपको ब्रीफ और परमानेंट abandonment results in a alteration of the landscape by wind or water activity or erosion. It may be made by mound may be made by natural agents also or human activities also. Occupations are detected by traces of ancient materials found in layers. So whenever we are found materials in layers, then what we will come to know about the occupation knowledge. We came to know through these remains about those people who are living here, which activities performed by them. Means we can detect their occupation. We can trace their occupation through this old material, which is found in layers, which differ from one another in color. Because we know the material which we found from these mounds They are different from one another in color, in texture, in artifacts, in material that are found in them. So degradations, what are called sterilines, layers can be identified by the absence of such traces. So generally the lowest layers are the oldest. Definitely the lowest layer which is at the bottom, it is the old one, very old one rather than this one. This is not as old as this one. Which one is old? Which one is more older? This one layer, and this is a newer layer. So the things which we will have found from this layer, definitely they are made earlier than these one. So generally the lowest layers are the oldest and the highest are the most recent. These are the recently formed. The study of these layers is called stratigraphy. I have already told you this is a study that is known as stratigraphy. Like we are reading about a past, that is history. तो एक study है ये. Clear बेटे? Artifacts found in layers can be assigned to specific cultural periods and can thus provide the cultural significance of for a site. Means this is shown you the layers of a mount. Okay, that is known as a stratigraphy. I think this is clear.